Hi, I'm Howard Chui. Let's talk about convergence. Now, when you take a picture with your phone, there's no shortage of ways you can share these photos. Besides emailing and MMS, you can also Bluetooth them to other phones, infrared them, you can upload them to Facebook or Flickr or any other site. You can connect your phone to your computer and download them, or if you have a TV out cable, you can connect your phone to your television. Now, a lot of phones have Wi-Fi. Most people use it to surf the web or make calls, but for some phones, they have a feature called DLNA. With DLNA, you can share your photos wirelessly when you're at home with other DLNA devices. Here I have an N85 and a Samsung Omnia. They're both DLNA enabled. So here's how it works. You take a picture, you connect your phone to your wireless network, and then you can share your photos with other DLNA devices. Some examples of DLNA devices include this PlayStation 3 and this Samsung 55-inch LED edge-lit television. Now, before I begin this demo, I just want to point out that the only cables connected to the TV are network and power cables. So I'm going to be sharing the photos wirelessly over Wi-Fi, and then it's going to go through the network cable to the television. I'm not using TV out, and I don't have it connected to a computer. Now for this demo, I'm going to use my Nokia N85. The first thing you want to do is take a picture. Alright, so here's the picture. Now, go to the home screen, go to Tools, Connectivity, Home Media. You see here I'm not connected, so first you want to turn the sharing on. And since I just took a picture, you need to refresh your library. So you go there, choose options, and choose refresh content. This can take a minute or two. Okay, now it's done. So go back, and now it's time to turn the TV on. Now let's turn the TV on. Just give it a second while it boots up. Choose menu. Choose media play, USB and DLNA. Now press the red button and choose my N85. You'll notice I have two other DLNA/UPnP devices on the network. Choose photo, images and video. Alright, and now let's scroll to the picture I just took. So with this TV, you can zoom. Pretty neat, huh? Now let's try the Samsung Omnia. So let's take a picture. We'll try a picture of the remote again. So what you want to do is choose Start, Programs. It's this app called Connected Home. That's the DLNA logo, by the way. Alright, connect to Wi-Fi. It's done. Now go Settings, Media Sharing on. Done. Now let's go back to the TV. Alright, press the red button. Choose the SCH I910, that's the Omnia. Choose Photo, Pictures, all pictures. Alright. You'll notice that the thumbnails show for the Omnia, they didn't on the N85. So once again, it's a slideshow. You can zoom in. Or you can move back and forth between pictures. So there you have it, DLNA. Now on the video, everything seems to just work, but actually, it took a lot of takes just because it doesn't always work as expected. Like here, the Omnia shows the thumbnails, whereas the N85 doesn't. And another problem is that the Omnia has a bad habit of disconnecting from the DLNA server. So, after a few minutes, it will disconnect. I think you might have to leave it plugged into the power or something. The N85, it does a better job of staying connected, but yeah, it doesn't seem to show thumbnails as much. Another problem is that this TV, there are the Samsung LED TVs, these really thin ones. There's a model without DLNA and it costs a lot less than this one, and so you actually pay a lot to have it built in. But like I was saying, it doesn't always work as predicted. So it's a feature that you probably want, but you also want them to work out all the kinks first. As you can see, it didn't work very smoothly. So I guess it's a work in progress. So I'm Howard Chui. Thanks for watching.